Alright guys, I finally got my MacBook Air in the mail. Oh my goodness. It took about freaking 3 weeks. I didn't get the expensive one, but would have liked to got the 16 gig memory, but it'll be okay. 256 will be good enough for me for what I need to do for it. So that we do an unboxing. This is the new M1 MacBook Air. It's supposed to be really good, but I'm a little bit leery of the no fan on a CPU, so let's get to unboxing it and see what she looks like. I got my cat that wants to help out. Alright, so I'll do this one hand. It may be a little tough. There it is. Just lift this up like this. Jeez, that thing's a little heavier than I thought it would be. It comes, oh, of course, this comes with a charger, not like the iPhone 12. There's a C, USB-C. Yeah, that's the only bad thing about this. It doesn't have, there's stickers and stuff. And here's your charging block. What I really hate is that they don't have the magnet connect anymore. And all they got is, there's your headphone jack, I think right there, I believe. And over here, you have your USB-C. So when you first turn it on and open it up, it should turn on. Ooh, shiny. Now let's see if I can drop it right away. Ooh. It's got the, sorry about the camera, it's got the old tone. Ooh, sleek. I gotta figure out how to run this damn thing.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, that's what I did. There's a little bit to get used to. Well, I'll get through the setup process. Oh, looks like the battery's up. Jeez, and it even lights up the keyboard. Sweet. Let's get your Touch ID right there. Alright, well, let's see if we can get it set up here. Well, I got it set up. It's pretty quick. Pretty good screen there. It's got the Touch ID. It's a pretty nice little laptop there. Now you're probably thinking, where is my SD card? Well, here you go. One another Apple's gimmicks, 40 bucks. Have to hook it in here, just like that, and then put your SD card in there, which is kind of dumb, but it is what it is. Well, anyway, so you can expect some videos from me more often now. Thanks for waiting. It took 3 weeks. Thanks Apple.com for taking for decades. And other than that, mint. Oh geez, this thing looks really nice at night here. The keyboard brightness is not down here anymore. It's up here. So you have to go up here and then kind of slide it over there. There, make it real bright, or you can turn it all the way down. Pretty cool. But it's been a while since I had a MacBook Air. I've had one in 2012, and they're pretty darn fast. This thing is, I'm not doing too much work on it, but underneath it's not even warm hardly. I got the battery charger on it right now, and I'm gonna edit a video off my iPhone on here. And I'm just setting it up right now, and so far it seems good. The speakers sound pretty damn good on this thing. Pretty impressed. However, I'm curious to see how this processor does and holds up with no fan with an M1 new processor chip. They claim that was 10 times faster than an iCore 7 or iCore 9. Well, we'll see. So, after a week of use, we can do a review and see how I think about it.